I'm only gonna get this elevator.
Yeah. See what that one looks like.
Yeah, it's a Kone.
Yeah.
It's a tin can.
It goes up one floor though. It goes up to the third.
Okay,
It's locked though.
I see. I bet this was a GMP at a time.
Correct.
The bun was probably here, maybe. Or maybe it was
Something
here.
like that.
Excuse me. Okay. Sorry. Did they not go to her?
It should. Ooh, this was a slow roll. This child about to drive me insane. Yeah. Huh? I didn't get your.
Let's switch. That was a full house, right? What did you say? Oh, I love those doors. Oh, this was worth it.
Right.
Let's get off at 1. Yep.
I love the way this thing drops when it starts moving.
I know. Couldn't get this view earlier because those people were in. Okay, let's get off here
I hear
because
people.
Yep, they're gonna come in.
Phone.
This is a nice spot. Oh, so sorry.
Ha.
There it goes, and that's it.